Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to uninstall WordPress from Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. This is my WordPress website. So to uninstall it, click on dashboard. Then scroll down to website and select auto installer. Here you will see your WordPress websites, and next to the WordPress website that you want to delete or uninstall, click on these three dots and select delete. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video and select delete. Here you are about to delete the WordPress application on your website. Select the data you wish to delete. Here you can select between deleting or uninstalling just the WordPress application, deleting installation files, or even the databases. So make sure to check all marks to delete all WordPress, including its database, files, and also the WordPress. Click on delete. And just like that, your WordPress application was uninstalled successfully. Here, wait for this timer to complete. WordPress installed successfully. Now, if I try to visit the same WordPress website, this is what I will see. This is just the cache files. So let's hit refresh. And now my WordPress is completely uninstalled. And this is how to uninstall WordPress from Hostinger.